Are you looking for a simple but beautiful hairstyle for your daughter? If yes, you are in the right place. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to style this beautiful hair. All I need from you just a like and a comment. Let's get started. First thing first, my darling, you need to moisturize the hair. Here is the conditioner that I use, but you can use the one you have. As long as you do it well, what matters is how you moisturize the hair. All right, sometimes the conditioner you use, it doesn't really matter, but just know how to moisturize the hair very well. That is why I drop a video on how to moisturize your hair or your child hair very well. You see the one that I showed last, which is the one that in a brown cup. If you don't know how I made this, I mixed that oil, I recommend you watch this video. I will put in the title on the screen of this video right now, so you can just go and watch it, so you know how I mixed that oil. You can also do it. It's very important, trust me. I part the hair into five, three at the middle, one back and one front. Now let the hair begin. If you like what I'm doing here right now, like this video, comment and also share to your friends and family. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Susan, a mom of four beautiful girls, and you are watching The Crown Style. Subscribe to The Crown Styles, turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever we upload a new video. So my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this channel. I appreciate you all, both my new and my old subscribers. I say may God bless you all. Please don't stop supporting this channel. All I need from you guys is like this video, comment and also share. hope you are following my hand, the way I am parting it and the way I am weaving it. If you are a beginner watching this video right now, let me tell you how to learn to do hairstyle. If you don't understand when you are watching a video, you pause it and you try to get that particular part, then before you play it again. This way you will understand it better. Let me leave you now to enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Thank you so much for your endless support. I appreciate you all, both my new and my old subscribers. All right, enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope you learn this hairstyle, and I hope this hairstyle suits you or suits your child very well. Bye for now.